Hey, I'm going to be making a shrimp stew my own way. I'm just going to be using tomatoes, some carrots, lemon juice, onions, the shrimp. I will season it with this. I'll also use sweet pepper flakes. I'll use paprika, lemon pepper seasoning, some garlic, and olive oil. This is paprika. And some salt. Garlic, and I'll add the carrot. Cook this for 2 minutes. I'm going to add the tomatoes. Now I'll add the sweet pepper flakes. And then cover them. And I'm going to add the shrimp. And the lemon juice. I'm going to add a little bit of water. My shrimp stew is ready. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley, chopped parsley. The shrimp stew is ready, and I served my stew with rice. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.